Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Step into a world of endless possibilities with my channel, your ultimate source for captivating window decoration ideas. Explore a tapestry of creative concepts, the inspirations, and expert tips that will transform your windows into stunning focal points. Whether you are in modern minimalism, bohemian chic, or classic elegance, our channel is your guide to elevate your space. Join our community of decor enthusiasts. Subscribe for a regular dose of inspiration, and let's together reimagine the way you frame the world outside. Unleash your imagination, enhance your view, and make every window a masterpiece. Discover the art of window transformation with my channel. Delve into a kaleidoscope of styles from seasonal makeovers to timeless classics as we unravel the secrets of window enchantment. Our videos are a treasure trove of practical hacks, budget friendly ideas, and a touch of aesthetic magic to breathe new life into your living spaces. Whether you are a dye enthusiast or simply looking for a touch of inspiration, our channel is your passport to a world where every window tells a unique story. Subscribe now my YouTube channel and hit the notification